Welcome back to the channel. If you're someone who loves the freedom of the open road but wants to keep things compact, efficient, and eco-friendly, then you're going to love what we're reviewing today. The 2025 Micro Electric Tricycle Camper. Let's begin with the exterior. The first thing that grabs your attention is its sleek, aerodynamic design. Despite its compact size, the Trike has a modern and rugged appeal. The chassis is built with lightweight yet durable aluminum alloy, which not only adds to its strength but also improves battery efficiency. LED lighting all around, weatherproof side panels, and a solar roof panel give it both style and function. Moving to the interior, this is where innovation really shines. Step inside and you'll find a smart layout that maximizes space. There's a convertible sofa bed, overhead storage compartments, and a compact kitchenette, complete with an induction cooktop and a mini sink. The cabin is well insulated, and the skylight adds natural light, making the small space feel much larger than it is. There's even a foldable workstation for remote work or dining. Under the hood, or in this case, under the seat, the camper is powered by a high-performance 15-kilo electric motor. It delivers a smooth and silent ride with a top speed of around 55 phi, perfect for city commutes or rural escapes. The 8 kWh lithium battery pack offers a range of up to 120 kilometers on a full charge. Regenerative braking adds efficiency, and the integrated solar charging system helps extend the battery life, especially useful on longer off-grid trips. Let's talk about the price. The 2025 Micro Electric Tricycle Camper starts at approximately $11,999, depending on the customization options. For what you get, mobility, sustainability, and a fully livable micro camper, it's a solid investment for urban explorers or solo travelers. Safety is also a priority. It features a reinforced roll cage, anti-lock brakes, 3-point seat belts, and rear-view cameras. The low center of gravity and 3-wheel design ensure a stable and safe ride, even on uneven terrain. To sum it all up, the 2025 Micro Electric Tricycle Camper is a game-changer for those who want to travel light, smart, and sustainably. It's compact enough to navigate tight spaces, yet it packs all the essentials of a micro home on wheels. Whether you're an urban nomad, a weekend adventurer,